What's up? You look worried.
Just met with Rob, our supervisor. 5 of us newer ones are going to be laid off next week.
Oh, that's no good. Why?
Coronavirus. Business is slow. I'm worried. What should I do?
I have an idea. You love to play around with phones, right? By the way, thanks for repairing my phone last week. It works fine now. Doesn't die on me all the time. Hey, my cousin works at OmniTech. All their staff are coming to Auckland for phone repair training. I think they take external students. Maybe you should check it out.
Thanks, mate.